What's up, guys? Welcome to today's episode. On today's episode, we'll be talking about how to keep games on your home screen. First of all, we need to check if our controller is connected. We see the blue light and we see it's connected. Now, we need to go to the game that we want to keep on our home screen. Once we navigate there, we can press the option button on our controller. Then we go down to the bottom. We can toggle it on and off, keep in home or take it off. When you toggle it on, it's going to keep the game in your home screen. Now, subsequently, we can also do this for media also. It's not just games. You can also decide to keep apps in your media. So like Disney Plus, you can decide to keep them in the home page or toggle them off. Now that's how you keep games and media on your homepage. And that will be all for this episode. Until the next one, see ya.